Hello, welcome to Expected Tutorial. Today we are going to write a program that will calculate the area of a triangle. Okay, and then we know the area of a triangle to be the half base times what the height. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's enter our code blocks and then try to create a new project. Okay, then we give our project a name. Let's say area of triangle. Okay, so let's select next and then get our working space. Okay, so let's leave this for now and then let's get rid of whatever inside this so that we can use it. Okay, so now let's declare our variables. Okay, but then let's note this for the area of a triangle. You see, we are having a decimal. Okay, the results can be in a decimal, or we can type in a decimal values. Okay, so we use this data type called float to declare our variable. Okay, so let's say float a and then b and then c. Okay, so then we terminate it here like this. Okay, so now let's enter something here. We see enter this. Okay, so actually what this new line is that it will bring you to the next line. Okay, so either you use end line or new line, the compiler will treat them the same. Okay, so either saying new line or saying this. Okay, end line like this, it will just bring you to the new what line. Okay, so now let's move on. See, enter the base. So let's accept the base and you see in. Okay, then we get our first variable. Okay, so we say a. Okay, and then let's try to copy this and then paste it so that we will be a little bit faster than shift time. Okay, we are saying we should enter the height. Enter the height, and then we will accept b. Okay, and then let's try to perform some calculations here. Okay, we are saying that c will be equal to the half base times height. Okay, so the half base will be let's present it by 0.5. Okay, because we can't write the 1 over the 2, so we just say 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 is the same as 1 over 2. Okay, so let's see 0.5 half base. So we're saying times the base. What is the base? The base is a, and then times the height. The height is what? B. Okay, so that is what we mean. If accepted our a, that is the base. We accepted our b, that is the height, and then we are saying the formula is half base times what? Height. So the half here will be like 0.5 times the base and then times what? The height. Okay, so let's give our results and see out area is, let's say, let's give a new line. Okay, the area is, let's say, C out C. The area is C. So when you run it, we will get to know what the new line and what the end line will do. So you will see that they all work in the same way. Okay. So let's try to compile our program. And then we have no error. So let's run it. And then accept our base. So the base will be, let's say, 20 for the base. And then let's enter our height to be, let's say, 20 again. Okay. Any number you want. Okay. And then we press enter. You see, it is bringing us to the new line. Okay. With the help of the end L to be the end line. Okay. It's bringing us to the new line. And let's see what the new line will do. Okay. And you see, the new line to is what bringing us towards the new line. So we are saying the area is what? 200. Okay. So both new line and then end line works in the same way. You can choose to bring this, or you can choose to bring this. If you bring this and then you bring this again, it will just create a double line. That is two lines. Okay. For example, let's say this. We're bringing in another new line here. Okay. So let's try the one and see what will happen. Okay, so let's say enter your base. Okay. You see it's giving us a double line. Okay. This is the first line, then this is the second line. Okay. So that is it. Let's try to write something. Okay, the area is what? 200. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are new here and then you haven't subscribed to the channel, try to do so that you get the upcoming tutorial of it, and then the previous ones. That will help you to catch up with whatever we are doing. Okay, thank you.